Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust steering in your Ford EcoSport. This simple adjustment can significantly improve your driving comfort and control. First, locate the adjustment lever directly beneath the steering column. Pull this lever downwards to unlock the steering wheel, allowing it to move freely. You can then adjust the wheel for both height and reach to find your ideal driving position. Once unlocked, you can easily move the steering wheel up or down to adjust its height. The goal is to ensure you have a clear and unobstructed view of your instrument cluster. Also, make sure your arms are in a comfortable, slightly bent position when holding the wheel. This helps reduce fatigue on longer journeys and improves your reaction time. Next, adjust the steering wheel's reach by pulling it towards or pushing it away from your body. You want to maintain a slight bend in your elbows when your hands are on the wheel, even when turning. This position provides optimal control and comfort. Also, confirm you can easily reach all dashboard controls without stretching. After finding your perfect steering position, it's crucial to lock the wheel securely in place. Push the adjustment lever firmly upwards until it clicks, indicating it's fully engaged. Give the steering wheel a gentle tug to confirm it's stable and won't move during driving. A properly adjusted steering wheel enhances safety and driving pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.